Mark, how do I create an audience of people who sign up on my pop-up forms that don't get the thank you page? Okay, yeah. So you can set up an event tracking, and that's what the other one was. I would recommend you always take them to the thank you page, and here's why. Because it's very easy to track and see if something has broken. We can see the amount of traffic hitting the thank you page or not. I hate those pop-ups where the green button, green message pops up. Thank you, your response has been saved, and it disappears after a few seconds. Now I may be doing something on my computer, and then I've looked away, and then I look back, and I still see that form and didn't see that pop-up message. So I'll have to try again and see if that has gone through or not. Personally, always take them to a thank you page. And then what you can do is you can also give them another call to action over there. And you put up a message, something like, so whilst you wait when we call you back, why not check out our Google reviews or Facebook page, or watch this video of a customer testimonial. So you are getting them more excited, pushing them further into your funnel. So a thank you page is a great way to give somebody more information about who you are and what you do. Put up a case study on the thank you page. They're already signed up to inquire with you, and I'm sure if I am looking to speak to you about your services, and on the thank you page you said, oh, here's how we made 500% return on investment for one of our clients, I'm sure I'm going to read it. So have a little think and stay away from that little pop-up. But you can do that through Google Tag Manager. That's fairly straightforward and easy.